Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is Easter and instead of making Easter egg, I wanted to make some madeleine. It is a French delicate cake and I love it. And if you're used to buying your own Starbucks, you know how expensive they can be. So you can be sure that you can make your own at home and you can modify it to whatever it is that you want. So let's get going. So what do we have here? We have 1 cup of all-purpose flour sieve. You can also use cake flour, but bread flours are a little bit heavier than all-purpose flour and cake flour. Cake flour have about 6 to 9% of gluten, while all-purpose has about 10 to 12% gluten. Bread flours have about 13 to 14, and also white whole wheat has about 12 to 12.5 to 13%. So you can modify this to whatever it is you want. Okay, so let's get going. Now, the ingredients are, again, like I said, sieved all-purpose flour. I have, this is optional. This is tangerine juice with tangerine zest. I love tangerine. 100 grams of unsalted butter, 2 room temperature pasture-raised eggs for its omega-3 value. I have 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and in place of sugar, I have 100 grams of agave nectar. You can substitute for maple syrup, honey, erythritol, monk sweetener, or dates, depending on whatever it is that you want. So first off, I am going to caramelize this butter. It just tastes much better with caramelized butter. Add all this in here and I'm gonna put it on a stove on low heat while we get the rest of this together. So I'm going to use my stand mixer with the whisk attachment because we're going to whisk the egg and the agave together till it's nice and fluffy. Here we go. Be sure not to add any shell. The agave goes in. In the meantime, we'll combine all the dry ingredients together, just 2 of them, flour and the baking powder. Then we'll whisk this. You're gonna whisk it for a while. Here we go. Now we've achieved that and I am going to show you what that looks like. And look now, we have our egg mix, we have our caramelized butter. Oh my God, it smells so good. My God, that smell is amazing. This is where the fun begins. Now we are going to fold in the lemon zest. So we want to fold it so that we do not disturb all that air bubble. I'm going to add a little bit of tangerine juice, a dash of vanilla extract, and we now add the flour. Just being careful, fold it in just until mixed. Just folding it in all that bubble. Trying not to overfold it. And now we're going to add the caramelized butter. That caramelized butter gives it a lot of content. Look at that beautiful, delicious. Next, what we're going to do is to just cover it and we'll put it in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. In the meantime, we are going to butter our Madeleine pan with some butter, some of that melted butter, just only coating the well. All right, so we'll finish greasing this and we're going to put it in the freezer for about an hour. And we'll come back and finish. After an hour of refrigerating the batter and 1 hour of chilling the pan, we are going to scoop. You can use an ice cream scoop. The whole take about a tablespoon. The oven is ready and we're going to pop these into the oven. We pop it into the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. The timer has gone off, so let's check. Amen. Oh wow, these look absolutely amazing. It looks like I did not feel them very well, but some of them have pretty good hum and some don't. This was just like, these are absolutely incredible. They smell great. We're gonna let them cool for a minute and then we'll try to remove them. Look at that. The moment to taste it. Here we go. Oh, look at that. Very airy inside. Smells amazing. The tangerine smell is amazing. Perfect. Not too sweet, moist. You can taste the caramelized butter. This is so good. I do not think this is going to be enough. If this video has been of value to you, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button. This is Dr. Okeke. Thank you.